To fully ascertain that the event is functioning as it should, look over the real-time reports in Google Analytics. After clicking the top link, the event is visible in the Event Count section. Welcome to a highly practical guide, where I'll walk you through how to monitor your website's engagement effectively to ultimately increase those crucial conversions. Commence by launching the Chrome Developer Tools. Choose the tool that lets you access elements on your site. Position your cursor over the component you want to monitor. The Elements tab will reveal your page's HTML code, the underlying structure of your web page. In this code, look for the highlighted portion within greater than and less than symbols, representing the tag of your component. While a span tag is currently selected in our case, we're seeking out an A tag encompassing our element. Right-click on this A tag, select Copy, and from the drop-down menu, choose Copy Selector. This represents our CSS selector, essentially the element address within the web page. Verify the accuracy of this CSS selector because we want to avoid situations akin to sending packages to the wrong address. To do so, click the Console tab, type in document.query_selector_all, and slot in the CSS selector within double quotes before pressing Enter. Much like physical addresses include subdivisions like counties or neighborhoods, web pages contain nodes. The node list uncovers these nodes, and by clicking the tiny triangle next to Node List, a list of numbers emerges. Hover over these numbers to see the highlighted element and confirm its accuracy. It's now time to build the GTM tag, starting with a new trigger carrying a descriptive name. Choose a Click Just Links type trigger. The trigger should only be activated on certain link clicks. Set the condition to Click Matches CSS Selector, with the CSS selector identified using the Chrome Developer Tools. For the Google Analytics 4 tag, select a clear, significant name. Input the measurement ID that begins with a G and a hyphen. Opt for a comprehensive event name. Attach the trigger we've just developed. Preview the tag by tapping the Preview link. Enter the URL of your web page in the Tag Assistant URL field and click Connect to display the page. Now click on the link for tracking and switch to the Tag Assistant tab. On the left, you can spot the Link Click event and observe that the recently created tag is active. By selecting the tag from the list, all the event details can be inspected to ensure correctness. The final step is to publish the container by clicking Submit. Enter an adequately detailed name for the changes and click Publish. To fully ascertain that the event is functioning as it should, look over the real-time reports in Google Analytics. After clicking the top link, the event is visible in the Event Count section. And there you have it. This is how you establish a link-click event in GA. For how to monitor a list of links, refer to the subsequent video tutorial.